Hello everyone, this is architect Shreya Mahajan and today we are going through Mr. Mohite's residence, which is on a carpet area of 1500 square feet. This is a very beautiful, silent and peaceful residence, so let's go through the tour. As we enter this beautiful house, at the entrance we have a very nice abstract of Lord Rama's, which was our client's requirement. This is also backlit. And on the opposite wall, we have this nice textured simple wallpaper. So while entering the home, we have this very nice Pichwai painted backlit panel on the base of the mandir. And this mandir is located at the center, which is the Brahmasthan of the house. And in front is the very nice fresh air living room. So in the living room, TV unit is kept very simple. Just has the satin finish laminate on it and the groove pattern, which matches the opposite wall. You can see the opposite wall is cladded with ply and MDF on it. This is the MDF cuttings pasted and the whole wall is deco painted. Here we come to the open dining and kitchen area. Now on the dining wall, we have this linear profile light going through the ceiling on the wall, which gives a very bold impact to the whole interiors. And on the wall we have MDF cladding on the both sides, and in the middle we have the mirror cladding, which gives a very nice reflection of the living room also. And also you get to see a bigger space of what's available in the carpet. And also the dining tabletop is matched with the kitchen countertop, which is grey in color, and also the kitchen is kept very subtle in the grey acrylic. This is a matte acrylic that we have used with matte black handles. We have the crockery and some overhead storage over it. Here we have created a place for fridge with overhead storage again. While moving towards the bedrooms, we have this crockery unit just besides the dining table, and which is also the back side of the TV panel. Moving through the passage, we have the common washroom, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and between we have the common wash basin with LED mirror. So now we are entering the beautifully and carefully curated master bedroom, which is tailored to client requirements for their choice of colors, which gives warmth and coziness to the master bedroom. So what colors we have used in the master bedroom are English pastel colors of beige and grey. The master bedroom has small writing table with overhead storage to do your everyday tasks. The bed has abstract pattern grey cushioning, upon which is the molding design, which is covered with PU paint and has vertical louvers on both the sides, which gives a nice verticality to the master bedroom, and the glass hanging lights on the both side tables. And the bed is as comfortable as it looks like. The second side table has dressing area besides it with storage behind for your cosmetics, and a very beautiful designer wall in the master bedroom, which is two hidden doors. One is the entry to master bedroom and the second one is the entry to the dresser and the washroom. TV unit has a linear glass below it, and the design complements the bed back design, which has the MDF cutting on it and the moldings with the same color scheme as used at the bed back. Here we have a small book storage. Now the master bedroom area has two balconies. One is the standing balcony and the second one is a very nice sit out area. Now entering the next bedroom, the client's requirement was to have a very subtle bedroom but also having a splash of some color. So both of us decided on having this vibrant but at the same time subtle turquoise color, with the combination of grey for this bedroom. And these linear profile lights have a nice textured lining wallpaper running through them all over the ceiling and the wall. The back panel of the bed is also in the same color combinations with CNC cuttings on it, and the bed back is the pastel blue upholstery. Besides the bed, we have a nice dressing area with some storage and the mirror upon the side table. Moving towards the TV unit, we have the same cladding to complement with the back panel of the bed. Then we have a study space with overhead book storage on it. The last bedroom is kept very simple and in minimalistic theme of grey and white. The bedroom is connected to the window, which is a nice window sitting bed. The full height wardrobe with overhead storage and matte grey laminate for sliding doors, which also have highlighting profile lights in the wardrobe. So sir, तुमचा एक्सपिरियन्स कसा होता आमच्या टीम सोबत काम करण्याचा?
तर तुमच्याकडे जेव्हा फर्स्ट व्हिजिटला आलो, फर्स्ट मिटिंगला आलो, तुम्हाला सांगितलं की दीदी आपल्याला इतकं माझं बजेट आहे, यामध्ये बनवायचं आणि माझं ड्रीम हाऊस बनवायचं. आज रिअली ते माझं ड्रीम हाऊस कम्प्लीट झालं. आय विल से दिस नॉट व्हेरी गुड, दिस इज एक्सलंट इंटिरियर तुम्ही करून दिलं.
थँक्यू सो मच.
म्हणजे हे माझ्या स्वप्नातही विचार नव्हता केला आम्ही की इतकं सुंदर इंटिरियर तुम्ही करून देणार आमचं. आणि हा माझा मुलगा जेव्हा आज हैदराबादवरून आला तर सकाळीच घेऊन आलो. त्यांनी वाव करून ज्यावेळेस सांगितलं सर्व फिरून, बाबा ये तो 5 स्टार हॉटेल से भी बढ़िया बना दिया इंटीरियर.
एकदम लक्झरियस आणि एलिगंट आणि एकदम जस्ट लुकिंग वाव.
Thank you so much. Now this is the wrap for today. Stay connected with us for next beautiful home tours and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See ya.